Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran with proper pronunciation and in a easy way, then you should subscribe to this channel. Our today lesson is about Tanween and short vowels. In this lesson, we will learn that how letters are read with signs, with vowels, with movements, and then how these letters are joined to make, to form a word, and then these words are joined to make an ayah, a sentence of the Holy Quran. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ذال فتح ذا كاف فتح كا زكا را فتح را ذكر ذكر ذكر. If you stay, then you will read it as ذكر ذكر ذكر. Next is را فتح را فا فتح فا رفا عين فتح آ رفع رفع. At stop you will read it as rafa rafa. The fatha sign on ain will not be read if you stay at the middle or at the end of an ayah, a sentence. Ra fatha ra, qa fatha qa raqa, ba fatha ba raqaba, ta double kasratin raqabatin raqabatin. If you stay raqabah raqabah, the last ta with double kasra will be converted to ha. Then we will read it as raqabah raqabah. Next is sin dammasu, ra dammaru suru, ra double dammarun sururun sururun. It stay surur surur. Sin pathasa, fa fatha fa safa, ra fatha ra safara, ta double kasratin saparatin safaratin. At stay point safara safara. Tha double kasra will be converted to ha. Swad dammasu, ha dammahu suhu, fa double fatha fan suhufan suhufan. If you stay suhufa suhufa, at the last there is alif, so you will stretch the word suhufa suhufa. Wa fatha wa, sin fatha sa wasa, ta double fatha ton wasaton wasaton. At stop wasatwa wasatwa. Twa fatha twa, ba fatha ba, twa qab double kasra qin, tabaqin, tabaqin. If you stay, tabaq, tabaq, twa fatha twa, ba fatha ba, taba, qab double fatha qan, tabaqan, tabaqan. If you stay, tabaqa, tabaqa. There is alif at the end, so you will stretch it. Tabaqa, tabaqa. Next is ta dammatu, waw double patha one, two one, two one. At stop, there is ya at the end, and this ya in the Arabic grammar rule will be converted to olive. So at stop, this tuwan will be read tuwa, tuwa. Let's read it again. Twa damma tu, waw double fatha one, tuwan, tuwan, tuwan. At stop, tuwa, tuwa. We long the letter because of ya, which is equal to alif. Tuwa. So alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson. So we will read the next lines in the next period. Stay connected and read the lesson regularly and try it again and again and practice it. Inshallah, the next lessons and the Holy Quran will be easy for you. Thank you. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.